Prime Minister has gifted to the wife of J.D. Vance. The Prime Minister has gifted an executive silver hand engraved table mirror with floral and peacock motifs to the First Lady of France. This executive silver hand engraved table mirror from Rajasthan showcases master craftsmanship and cultural heritage. Its intricate silver frame features floral and motifs symbolizing beauty, nature and grace. Meticulously engraved and polished to a brilliant shine, the mirror reflects Rajasthan's rich tradition of metal work. Crafted by the skilled artisans, it serves as both a functional and decorative heirloom, embodying the timeless elegance and the artistic excellence. Arzu Seth is joining me live on the broadcast. Arzu, as far as sourcing the timeless and the unique gifts from the country while being on abroad and making an impression there that we are vocal for local, and when we are talking about these gifts, it's about the kind of richness that India does project on all the platforms where it is known for the kind of timeless development that we have seen in terms of making all of these rich culture heritage artisans and also these products that have set an example, and this is something that has been gifted from the Indian side, from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the First Lady of France and then the son of J.D. Vance as well.
Well, yes, India is always on the front foot when it comes to showcase the India's culture and the, the heritage. And now Prime Minister Narendra Modi gifted a beautiful wooden railway toy set to Vivek Vance, the son of the US Vice President J.D. Vance. And this thoughtful gift reflects India's rich, wooden toy making tradition and emphasizes sustainability and the eco-friendliness. The toy is crafted from natural wood and painted with vegetable dyes derived from plants, roots and flowers, ensuring the child safety and the environment consciousness. And also the color plate is soft and the earthy, featuring shades like yellow from turmeric, red from beetroot and blue from indigo and green Spanish and neem. So this handicraft pieces embodies creativity, heritage and eco-friendly craftsmanship, making it the unique and the meaningful gift. And also Prime Minister also gifted puzzle based on Indian folk painting to the other guests also, and a wooden alphabet set to the Maribel Rose Vance. So these are the gifts that has been given by the Prime Minister also to showcase the India's rich culture. Not only this, but also this antiquity silver hand engraved table mirror from the Rajasthan showcases masterful craftsmanship and the culture heritage, and which is being gifted to the First Lady of France. And also this symbolizing beauty, nature and grace, particularly engraved and polished to a brilliant shine. The mirror reflects Rajasthan's rich tradition of metal work and crafted by the skilled artisans. It serves as both a functional and a decorative heirlooms, embroidering timeless elegance and artistic excellence. And so yes, there are a lot of gifts that is being given by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi also, that showcases the India's rich culture, and he has taken those gifts from the several states of India, like the mirror from the Rajasthan, to showcase the India's skilled craftsmanship through these gifts.
All right, yes. Arzu, thank you very much for sharing these details and giving us, in fact, more information in this regard. Now, viewers, on that note, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments very closely. Please stay with us.